Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your remote work setup with Zoom step by step clearly. Start by assessing your workspace at home. Choose a location with good lighting and minimal distractions. Ensure your desk is tidy and organized for optimal productivity. Next, check your internet connection. A wired connection is preferable for stability. If using Wi-Fi, ensure your signal is strong. Now, download and install the Zoom application on your device. Visit the Zoom website or your device's app store to find the download. After installation, create a free Zoom account if you don't already have one. Open Zoom and sign in with your credentials. Before starting a meeting, familiarize yourself with the interface. Pay attention to the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Test your audio settings by navigating to the microphone icon. Select Test Speaker and Microphone to ensure both are working properly. Adjust your microphone volume as needed for clarity. Next, set up your video settings. Click on the video icon to check your camera feed. Make sure your camera is positioned to capture your face clearly. Adjust any lighting to minimize shadows on your face. Once your setup is complete, schedule a meeting. Click on Schedule and fill in the necessary details. Choose the date, time, and duration for your meeting. If needed, enable features like video or audio settings for participants. After scheduling, share the meeting link with participants. Now, practice joining a test meeting. Click on the meeting link to ensure everything is functioning properly. Test sharing your screen by preparing a presentation. In the meeting, click on Share Screen and select the window you want to present. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.